ultimately, when you buy the furnace filter, you have to figure out, okay, how do I find a filter that's going to work for my actual furnace here? And you may go to a Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that, hardware store, to pick up a furnace filter. But a lot of people anymore, they don't want to do that. They want to go online to order it. Why? Because they don't have to go to the damn store. It comes directly to their doorstep. That's becoming more and more common every day, to the point where you could set up whole e-commerce stores for weird, wacky items like this and make it work. Even though you're not going to become a billionaire doing it, you could make easily a full-time, honest job, living setting up an e-commerce site selling, weird items like this, just because you understand how to set up the ads, right? Because technically, yes, anybody could sell furnace filters.